Hello. Hello. Don't know if you can see me, but I've just walked down the road, or down the hill as you all would know, to get the stuff to make some vegetable soup. It's raining, as you can tell. See? And it's Guy Fawkes night. And for those of you who don't know, that's November the 5th, we celebrate Guy Fawkes Night by shooting off fireworks everywhere. Okay, if you can hear those going now. And shooting off fireworks everywhere and building bonfires and just going kind of crazy. Look it up, Guy Fawkes. And I'm celebrating. I lost 9 pounds. 9 pounds. 9 pounds this week. A huge celebration. You can see my shopping. See my shopping. And the co-op, local co-op. And I am going to make my way back up the hill now. Walk up the hill. See how great it is with all this head of cabbage and everything I got to make my vegetable stew. There's no calories. Well, there's calories, but it's no points if you're on the Weight Watchers program, was what I meant to say. No points. Not one. So, let's talk to you after I get back up this hill. Oh. Oh, pretty if you could see it from the spotlight. And hard to see. Very hard to see. I also wanted to add it, this is week 1 of my 8-week personal challenge to lose 30 pounds. Make sure I track all my foods consumed, my 3 liters of water a day. Everything's gone great. I've not managed to get my 5,000 steps in every day, but that's the only one of my goals that I didn't meet this week. I lost 9 pounds, so I just want to keep track. This is week 1. I'm starting on week 2 today, actually. Week 1 ended yesterday, Thursday, which is when I went to my weight management group to weigh in. So let's see how it goes. I'm halfway up the hill, and I know you can't see much, but I'm classifying this as my strength training because in 50-degree weather, rain, and up this bloody mountain, I'm carrying 3 shopping bags full of shopping and an umbrella. And I don't have far to go. So I'll make it. I can see the end in sight. I do have a car, but I got 2 legs and they work pretty darn well. Especially this past 5 weeks. They're moving pretty good. My back's much better. Thank you all for your prayers. And here you see me. I got 1 door to go. And I don't know if I got any light or not. 3 bags of shopping. Hopefully you can see me. I don't know. I'll continue this in the house. But I made it up the hill. As you can see, That was workout. And I made it in alright. I had turkey meat on sale. Minced turkey. Good price. Celery for my soup. Onions for my soup. Cabbage. I already chopped up carrots as it makes it easier. I've got parsnips in the fridge, and I had a British Swede. I also had some turkey slices in case I get hungry and want something quick. Some mustard because I went off of mayonnaise because of the calories. Some extra light Laughing Cow, which is only 20 calories, and 3 grams of protein. And of course I had to have my husband's sausage rolls, which goes in his sausage roll plate. So these are on sale, buy one get one free for £1. So I had those. So I'm going to make a stew like I made last week. It helps me through the week because it's no points, 0 points on my point system. Very, very warm. I'm going to stand in the doorway to get some air. A few steps on there, not many. Only puts about 2,000 steps on there to go down the bottom of the hill and back. So I didn't have any on there before that. So any little bit of movement at all is a big workout for me. I'm really, really proud of myself this week for losing 9 pounds. I worked really hard for that. Not in exercise, trust me, but in what went in my mouth, the water that I drank, and with it cold like it is, it's harder for me to drink cold water. I've had no coffee this week, no cappuccino. I know some of you think I've gone crazy. I haven't gone crazy. I just decided, what do you want more, to lose the weight or to have that caffeine buzz? And I reckon I really don't need that. This cappuccino unsweetened really did me wrong last week. Those of you know I put on 4.5 pounds last week. Well, I had to take that 4.5 off, plus 4.5 more this week, so that gave me my 9 pounds this week off. So, for my total for 4 weeks, that's 4.5 and 3, that's 7.5, so that's 8 pounds in 4 weeks that I've managed to lose, keep off. That puts me at 308 pounds. I have been at 308 pounds 3 times in the last 3 months. My goal is to go below 308 pounds. This cappuccino was not helping me. Although it was low points and low calories, only 63 calories for like 14 gram scoop to make a mug of coffee of this big. It was not worth it because it wound up being like 1.5 points on my point system. But it was useless calories. I needed those calories in my food. If you drink your calories, you're gonna not do so well. I'm not talking to those of you who have to drink your calories. You have to drink your protein shakes and things. I'm just talking to those of you who have weaned off of the liquids and are, onto the solid foods. Get as much protein as you can get. and not from all this starchy stuff either. You need good, healthy vegetables and fruits and proteins, and not the junk. This coffee is junk. I know y'all are all going to give me bad comments, whatever, because I love that coffee too. I love me some cappuccino, I really do, and I want a cup, but I've noticed a huge change in my body this week. I feel better, and if you think you're at a plateau, re-examine everything that you're putting in your mouth, because you might surprise yourself and find out that some of those things that you think are so innocent are the culprits that's keeping you from losing weight. I hope I can stay strong this week. Yay me. Yay me. I'm so proud of myself. And that's how we roll.